everyone, today I'm going to be doing a quick craft video. I'm going to be combining two of my favorite things, crafting and reading. There was a book that was just released. I knew it was going to be released in August, but I can't believe it's already August. Like, did we even have a July? And I wish I could use the excuse that my inner tween self is screaming at the release day, but I actually read the book when I was a little bit older, so can't use that excuse. The book I'm talking about is Midnight Sun. I did read it years ago whenever she published it online after it was leaked. So I thought it would be fun to do something to kind of commemorate that book release. I just like the story. So I was trying to think about what I could do. I used to love doing watercolor, but I haven't touched the stuff in years and years and years. So I bought this fun paint palette on Amazon. I'll link it below. It comes in a really beautiful colored case with a cute parrot. I think it's perfect for beginners. I did the swatch sheet and all the colors are really nice. I think it's probably for the best to do swatch sheets because then you, especially with watercolor, you can see what they look like when they dry. So I thought, why don't I do some kind of watercolor fan art? I've never done fan art before. I don't paint. I can't draw. So what could go wrong? So I'm just going to jump right in. I have my paintbrushes, I have my paint palette, and I have some water. When I was trying to decide on the design, I was thinking of Twilight and I immediately thought of the cover apple. I think a normal person, well, normal for a Twilight person, would probably think vampires and wolves, but I went with apple. And then with the book title being Midnight Sun, you know, instead of thinking of a sun, I went with a crescent moon. I'm using Canson watercolor paper and I didn't want the paint to bleed down to the moon, so I just outlined the moon in masking tape. Now I'm just going to put on some music and let you guys watch paint dry. it turned out too bad for my first time doing watercolor in years. Also don't know if you would immediately think Twilight when you saw this. Maybe you would, but it's just the design that came to my mind, so I don't think I'm going to be framing this or mounting it on my wall. But for my first time doing watercolor, I'm pretty happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting my next video on Monday, and I'll see you all there.
6 sheep, she saw 6 sheep, she saw 6 sheep, she saw 6 sheep, she saw 6 sheep.
I don't know why I'm doing this video, but hey, whatever.